SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to make text bigger on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If the text on your iPhone is currently too small for you to read comfortably, then you can make that text bigger by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Display and Brightness option, and then you can choose Text Size from this menu. Now you just need to drag this slider to the right to make the text bigger, or drag it to the left to make the text smaller. If the largest text size is still too small, then you can go back to the main settings menu. You can scroll down and select the accessibility option. Then you can choose display and text size. Then you can select larger text. And then you can enable the larger accessibility sizes option. And then you can drag the slider to the right to make the text even bigger than it currently is.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.